The Veken Adhesive Shower Caddy 6-pack offers large-capacity bathroom organization with rust-proof, durable storage racks in a sleek black finish. This wall-mounted set includes shelves and a soap holder, all easily installed without drilling, making it renter-friendly and quick to set up. Ideal for organizing bath essentials, it adds both function and style to bathrooms, kitchens, or any space needing tidy storage. The OLANLY bathroom rug in 30 by 20 inches is an extra soft, absorbent chenille bath mat that provides comfort and quick drying for bathroom floors, tubs, or showers. With a non-slip rubber backing, it stays securely in place, offering safety alongside style. Machine washable and easy to maintain, this gray rug is an ideal addition to bathroom decor and home accessories for a cozy, functional touch. This 4-pack acrylic Q-tip holder dispenser set is perfect for organizing bathroom essentials like cotton swabs, balls, pads, and floss picks. Made from durable, clear plastic, these small apothecary jars offer a stylish, minimalist touch to any bathroom decor. Ideal for vanity or countertop use, they keep items neatly accessible while adding a clean, organized look to makeup storage and daily bathroom accessories. The SetSail toilet brush and plunger set combines a heavy-duty plunger with a durable toilet bowl brush, designed to tackle deep cleaning effectively. With a sleek, hidden holder, this set keeps both tools discreetly stored yet easily accessible. Ideal for maintaining a tidy bathroom, the set is built for durability and powerful cleaning, making it a practical addition to any home. The DELITON Adhesive Hooks 4-pack offers sleek, matte black stainless steel hooks that can easily stick on walls in the bathroom, kitchen, or any space needing extra storage. Perfect for holding towels, coats, and other essentials, these adhesive hooks provide a sturdy, damage-free hanging solution without the need for drilling. Their minimalist design seamlessly complements any modern decor while maximizing storage space.